Here are some of my favorite eco-friendly things at Home Depot. And if you can't find them at Home Depot, check out my Amazon link. I have a cat. These Arm & Hammer odor balls are a must-have in the kitty litter area. I like Audubon. It's a nice smelling disinfectant and cleaner and a really great price. I like it. I just think it's really nice to mop with and clean. Lysol laundry sanitizer, bleach-free, but yet it still sanitizes my cleaning cloths. Must have. I love that there's wool dryer balls. Get these instead of dryer sheets. They will last for years. Super cost-effective and no toxic dryer sheets. Cleaning vinegar. Cleaning vinegar is more acidic than white distilled vinegar, so you get more cleaning power. Check out my videos on my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, where I show how vinegar is great for cleaning hard water spots on glass and great for cleaning ovens. And I have lots of recipes. So cleaning vinegar, grab that. I love the Lysol hydrogen peroxide. I clean with several different peroxides. That's a good one. Clorox free and clear, bleach free, must have. Scouring stick, you know how great that is. And BKF, Barkeeper's Friend. Did you know that it's made with rhubarb and other ingredients? Amazing. Windex with vinegar, also a great one too. So those are some must-haves from Home Depot.